Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your mouse not working into your Windows 10 and 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Simply click on your keyboard start icon, and then here you just need to search for device manager. You can see, and then click enter. After that, your device manager will be open, and then you just need to click on tab and press the bottom key over here and go for the mic and other pointing device. If you just click on your right arrow button, and if you just click on the HID complement mouse, click on enter, and then click tab another time and make sure the indication go for the general section, and then click your right arrow button and then go for drive, and then click tab another time and then go for uninstall device. So if you click enter another time, your mouse point will be disappeared. And now how you can fix it, just simply click on your alt. You can see the indication go for the file option. Just click on your right mouse button, just click on your right arrow button and then click on action. Please enter and then press your bottom arrow button and then click on scan for hardware changes, click enter, and you can see your mouse pointer is back again. So yeah, this is how we can fix this problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see other videos. Till then, goodbye.